Okay, we had studied masculine gender, second we had studied feminine gender, third we had studied common gender, and fourth we had studied neuter gender. Okay, fourth we had not studied neuter gender yet. Okay, so all we have studied all four genders. Masculine gender, that was considered for male. Males के बारे में जब हम बोलेंगे तो we will say masculine gender. When we are talking about female, ladies के बारे में हम जब बात करते हैं, what we say feminine gender. Okay, and common gender is what, in which both male and female come. Both male and female come. That is what common gender. And neuter gender is non-living things. Beta, we have done this on Friday itself. हमने ये करा था. We had done masculine gender, that was considered for male. Masculine gender किसके लिए होता है? Male के लिए होता है. Feminine gender is for female. When we are talking about ladies, girls, then we put them in feminine gender. Then common gender is for male and female, like teacher, parents, child, okay, friends, enemy, all this come in common gender. And neuter gender was like table, chair, blackboard, pencil, marker, all this come, non-living things come in masculine gender. Okay, so I've just revised what is masculine, what is feminine, what is common gender, and what is neuter gender. We had done the A exercise, we had done A exercise, and now we will be doing the page number 36. Which page number? Page number 36. We will be doing page number 36. That is matching. What it is? Matching. Okay. First one. How we will match? I'm writing the names and then we will do the matching. First one is sir. Second one is, okay, I will write the correct answer in front of sir. Okay, children? I will write the correct answer of that, sir. Okay, sir, what will be the correct answer of this? Third one is hero. Okay, who will tell me the answer of sir? Ashi Garg. Okay, Ashi Garg.
मैम सर का मैडम.
Yes, very good. Sir, madam. Okay, madam. I am writing the, okay, Ashi Garg, mute yourself. Beta, I am writing the correct answer in front of that. You can mark it in your book. Okay. Then next, who will tell me the matching of feminine of king? Who will tell me the feminine of king? Alok. Yes, Alok. Yes, Alok.
Yes, ma'am.
Feminine of king.
Queen.
Queen. Yes, very good. Queen. Okay, mute yourself, Alok. Children, I am writing the correct answer. You can put the tick over there. You can write the number in front of your answers. Okay, I am writing the correct answer so that you should not get confused. Okay. Okay, now who will tell me the third one? Feminine of hero. Who will tell me the feminine of hero? Avni? Yes, Avni?
Yes, ma'am.
Feminine of hero.
Heroine.
Heroine. Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Feminine of hero is heroine. Now who will tell me nephew? Feminine of nephew. Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Feminine of nephew. Beta, from matching only you can see.
Ma'am, क्या matching?
Matching. Feminine
Ma'am,
of
मेरी.
nephew. Which one? Say the
Ma'am,
spelling. Beta.
M-A-R-E.
No, wrong. Wrong, Utkarsh.
Ma'am,
Mute.
nice.
Knees.
Ma'am,
It is
nice.
called knees. Knees.
Ma'am, knees.
N-I. Knees. What we call? We knees.
Knee.
Nephew and niece. क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? Nephew and niece. Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Nephew and niece. Now horse. Manya, yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am.
Feminine of horse.
Ma'am, mare. M-A-R-E.
Very good. M-A-R-E, mare. Feminine of horse is mare. Okay, mute yourself. Now who will tell me the feminine of dog? One is only left. Feminine of dog. Priya, okay, Priya. Feminine of dog. Yes, beta.
Bitch.
Bitch. Feminine of dog. Dog. Female dog को हम क्या कहते हैं? Bitch. Okay. Okay. Mute yourself. Beta, mute yourself. So all of you have understood matching. These are the masculine form gender, and these are the feminine gender. Okay. So what is the feminine of sir? Madam. And what is the feminine of king? Queen. What is the feminine of hero? Heroine. Then fourth one, feminine of nephew? Niece. Fifth one, feminine of horse? Mare. Then last one, feminine of dog? Bitch. All of you have understood gender? We have already done this gender. So all of you have noted down the answers? Okay, now let's go for the B exercise. Now we will be doing the B part. Okay. Who will tell me the answer of? Okay, who will tell me the answer of this? Matching. Write the feminine gender of the following. B1. We will be doing B part. Feminine. Write the feminine. Gentleman. Who will tell me the feminine of gentleman? Okay, Nishta Mittal. Nishta Mittal, unmute yourself.
Beautiful.
Yes, Nishta, many of you are raising your hand. Very good. Nishta Mittal, unmute yourself. Feminine of
Beautiful.
beta gentleman I am talking. Feminine of gentleman. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
नो नो हम फीमेल बात कर रहे हैं जेंटलमैन का फीमेल लेडी यस
Lady.
यस इट इज लेडी फेमिनाइन ऑफ जेंटलमैन इज लेडी ओके म्यूट योरसेल्फ
Yes, ma'am.
ओके नाउ सेकंड वन हस्बैंड सेकंड वन Subhansh Mishra. Okay, Subhansh. Feminine of husband.
Wife.
Will be the feminine. Beta.
Wife.
Wife. Okay, mute yourself. Very good. Feminine of husband is wife. What it is? Feminine of husband is wife. Okay. Now, beta, I am writing the husband is next line. Just see write the answers in front of the question number. Second question because below one there is 3. So don't write in 3 wife. Okay, just see the question number and then put the answers. Third one is boy. Who will tell me the answer of boy? Feminine of boy. Devik. Devik, yes, Devik. Yes, girl.
Girl.
Yes, very good. Girl. All of you write girl. Next one. Prince. Next one is prince. Who will tell me the answer of this? Gauri. Yes, Gauri.
Princess.
Princess. Very good. What is the feminine of prince? Princess.
Princess.
Very good. Mute yourself, Gauri. Now next one. Father. Savya.
Yes, ma'am.
Father. Feminine of father.
Mother.
Mother. Very good. Feminine of father is mother. Okay, Savya, mute yourself. Now I'm rubbing this. All of you must have written this. Okay, next one is bull. Who will tell me the answer of bull? Yes, Dushyant.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, feminine of bull. What is the feminine of bull? What is the feminine of bull? Bull का feminine क्या होगा? Yes, what will be the, Dushyant, you know the answer? Yes, Dushyant, you know the answer of bull? Okay, mute yourself, no problem. Other children? Anika Verma? Yes, Anika? Beta, what is the feminine of bull?
Bull.
No, not bulls. Bull is the hota, beta. It is not a feminine. Wrong. Mute yourself. Mute yourself, beta. Honey Garg. Yes, Honey Garg.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the feminine of bull?
Ma'am, cow.
Yes, very good. Mute yourself, honey. Yes, children, what is the feminine of bull? It is cow. Got it, all of you? It is not bullish or another name. It is bull. Male को हम क्या कहते हैं? Bull. और female को हम क्या कहते हैं? Cow. Okay, got it, all of you? It is female we call cow और male को हम क्या कहते हैं? Bull. Okay, next one. Seventh one, lion. Who will tell me the answer of lion? Yes, children. Agrim, yes, Agrim.
Yes, ma'am.
Female of lion. Female of lion, or you can say feminine of lion. Lion का female को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Agrim.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer of that? Do you know the answer?
Ma'am, बस एक मिनट रुको.
No, I can't wait, beta. If you know, okay, mute yourself. Avni. Yes, Avni, what is the feminine of bull? Avni, what is the feminine of bull?
मैम बुल हो तो गया. काउ. मिलकर काउ.
Oh, lion, lion. Feminine of
Lion.
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 Lion? Lions? No. Avni, what is the feminine of lion? Lion, male को और female को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Male we call lion. What we call female lion? Female lion को हम क्या बोलते हैं? We call lioness. Lioness. We put E-double-S. Isn't it? Yes, Avni?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. And the last one is tiger. Tiger again. Who will tell me tiger? Female of tiger or feminine of tiger? Vansh?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Vansh. What is the feminine of tiger?
Tigress.
Tigress. Very good. Can you tell me the spelling of tigress?
TIGESS.
Yes. No, tigress. We will remove E and we will put RESS. Tigress. TIGRESS. What we will remove here? We will remove that E and we will put that E afterwards and we'll put ESS. Got it, Vansh? Okay, mute yourself, Vansh. Okay, children, all of you have understood? The feminine, again, gentleman, lady, husband, wife, boy, girl, prince, princess, father, mother, bull, cow. This is important because many of you don't know what is the feminine of bull. Then cow, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress. Okay. Now we have done with this the feminine. Now we will be doing the next one is write the masculine gender of the following. आपको क्या दिया है? Feminine is given and we have to write masculine. Okay. What you have to write? You have to write the masculine part. Female is given and you have to write the male of that. क्या दिया है आपको? Female दिया हुआ है and you had to write male of that. Okay. So we'll write the male gender. C1. First one is what is given? Aunt. Who will tell me the answer of aunt? What is the male of aunt? Aryan. Aryan Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the male of aunt?
Uncle.
Yes, very good. Mute yourself. Uncle. Mute yourself. Female. Male of aunt is uncle. Got it? Again, next one. Granddaughter. Who will tell me the answer of this? Granddaughter. Himanshi. Daughter. Yes.
Ma'am, grandson.
Grandson.
Ma'am,
We will not change
grandson.
this. Yes. Okay. Mute yourself. Children, we will not change grand over here. Grand will be same only. We will only change this daughter. Daughter से क्या हो जाएगा? Grandson. Got it, all of you? Now fourth one. Niece. Okay, who will tell me the male of niece? Adya, yes. Yes, Adya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Male of niece. Male of niece. Niece का male क्या होगा? No, wrong. Not nieces थोड़ी ना होता है. Wrong. Who will tell me the correct? Mute yourself. Who will tell me the correct one? Alok, yes, Alok. Mohit. Okay, Alok. Yes, Alok. What will be the masculine of niece? Alok, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. इसका नाइस होगा. नहीं, नाइस का क्या होगा? नाइस का नेफ्यू. मैम, नेफ्यू. बटन अलग अलग कैसे होगा?
Yes, Alok. Yes.
मैम, नेफ्यू.
No. Nephew. Very good. Mute yourself. Nephew. What is the plural feminine male of this? Nephew. Okay. Male of niece is nephew. Next one. Next one is okay. This is the fourth one. I have done with that. Who will tell me the male of goddess? Aryan Kaushik.
Yes, ma'am.
Male of goddess. Male of goddess.
Ma'am, God.
Yes. Yes, children. Yes, mute yourself, beta. God. Male of goddess is God. Now fifth one. Okay, mute yourself. Queen. Male of queen. Devansh Devakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Male of queen. Male of queen. Masculine gender of queen. Yes, Devansh. Masculine क्या होगा queen का?
Prince.
No, queen का prince नहीं होता बेटा. Mute yourself. Some other children. Okay, Dhruv Chahar. Dhruv Chahar.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the male of queen?
King.
Queen का क्या होगा? Yes, king. Male of queen is king. Okay, mute yourself. Male of king is queen. Mute yourself. Okay, next one is actress. Male of actress. Who will tell me? Divyansh. Male of actress. Male of. What is the male masculine gender of actress? What is the Yes, very good. Mute yourself. Actor. Masculine gender of actress is actor. Got it? Now, masculine of hen. Now I want the answer correctly. Yes, Kratika. Masculine gender of hen. Who will, Kratika, masculine gender of hen. Kratika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Masculine gender of hen. What is the masculine gender of hen?
Fox.
Huh?
Fox.
Fox? नहीं, cock. What is the masculine gender? Cock बोलते हैं बेटा उसको. What we call? Cock. What we call? We call cock. What is the masculine gender of hen? Cock. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, mute yourself now. Now the last one. Empress. Masculine gender of empress. Rajesh Shivani, masculine gender of empress. Yes, Rajesh Shivani. Rajesh Shivani. Beta, your voice is not coming clearly. Masculine gender of empress. Emperor. Yes, very good. Beta, you're speaking from far. It is not coming. Okay, mute yourself. Emperor. What is the masculine gender of empress? Emperor. So we have done with this exercise, children. All of you have understood how we have changed. In exam, it can come to change where in feminine, and it can come to change in masculine. Okay, children? It will come in masculine also. It can come that you have to change feminine to masculine, or it can come if you have to change from masculine to feminine. Got it, children? So we have done with this C exercise. I'm just reading it out. Aunt. What is the masculine of aunt? Uncle. What is the masculine of granddaughter? Grandson. What is the masculine of goddess? God. Masculine of niece? Nephew. Masculine of queen? King. Masculine of actor? Actress? Actor. Masculine of hen? Cock. Remember this. Female is hen and male is cock. Then masculine of empress? Emperor. All of you have understood? Masculine. All of you have understood. Now, children, D exercise. D exercise is your homework. All of you will do it as a homework for tomorrow. D exercise is your homework. We will discuss tomorrow and we'll do the answers of that. Okay, children? And if you have not written the answer, you can get it from the portal. Okay, children, we have done with this exercise. Tomorrow we will be continuing with this chapter. Okay, I'm ending the class now. Bye, everyone.